If you just be throwing on your wig and going, I'm sending the police to your house, okay? Because that's illegal. You cannot be doing that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this look, the baby hairs, the customization, the finishing touches that you need to put on your wig before you leave the house. Like, it's not just style and go, it's style, it's customized, you know? It's, you know, before you go. So stay tuned. Good morning. I'm about to do my hair and I'm going to finesse my part. Like, I literally made this wig and curled it. I didn't do anything. Like, I just put the little part in the middle. I hit the hot comb right here just like a little bit. Like, I'm gonna put the finishing touches on this wig and I think y'all are gonna like this. I don't really know, but I'm gonna define my part. I'm gonna do my baby hairs, all of that. So I'm gonna start by taking down my curls. I think this is gonna be really helpful for people who like struggle with just kind of making their wigs look natural. I've already customized the closure, so I bleached the knots, I tweezed it, and I bleached the knots really lightly, like so lightly. I looked like the knots didn't turn much, like they still looked pretty dark, but I actually like the way that it looks, you know, now that it's like fully dry. Like, I can tell when I go in the sun there's not going to be any kind of, you know, reflection. It's not going to be giving a highlighter, so I'm definitely happy about that. And I didn't really curl my hair any particular way. I just curled away from my face with my favorite curling iron, which is the 1 1/4 iron, the one that I used in I think both of my other tutorials, my curling tutorials. Okay, so while I'm taking these down, all we're going to need is a wax stick, a hot comb, and a rat tail comb, a metal rat tail, not just any rat tail, metal, because that helps you get all up in there, helps your part be really defined. Did I get all of them? Did I get everything? Let's see. Yeah, I think I got everything. Boom. Okay, now for the good stuff. Let me position y'all because I need a mirror. Okay, can y'all see? I really hope y'all can see. So I just got my metal rat tail and I'm going to straighten up my part. You see all those hairs that was on the wrong side? Like, you see this? All of these got to go to the other side. Like, yesterday I had somewhere to go, so I literally just took some makeup and I made a line, and that's why I looked like I had a part, but really it is a hot mess. So I'm going to part a few times and just make sure my part is super duper straight, which it is. And now I'm gonna start plucking. So I'm gonna part again, make sure it's super straight. Whatever hairs come up, I'm gonna pull those out. Like, if you don't fall in line, you gotta go. Right, so like right here, I don't know. Come on, focus. Don't do me, focus. All right, so I don't know if y'all can see it, but right up in here, there's like a cluster of hairs that like don't need to be there. So I'm pulling those out because my part is really clean, and then it gets a little messy right about here. That means those hairs need to go. Let me get closer. Hold on, I gotta get closer. Okay, I think I got them now. I made a rat tail with an even thinner tip. So like this one, it's a little bit thicker than normal. I'm gonna grab one that's even, you know, like the regular one. You know, that's what they must mean when they ask you if you want, like, I think they call it a needle tip rat tail. I don't remember, but when I be in the store, like, I always see the difference. I'm like, well, what are y'all talking about? That's what they're talking about, because one comes thicker on the ends and we want the one that's super thin. Okay, sorry to like keep changing. I think I got it. I don't even think I need to put makeup. Okay, so that's done. Now I'm just going to make sure my lace is not tucked. I'm going to make sure my baby hairs are not tucked. If you just be throwing on your wig and going, I'm sending the police to your house, okay? Because that's illegal. You cannot be doing that. Because the lace be all folding under, like, you can't be doing that. Everybody don't need to know. You gotta wiggle your head. Please be hot. All right, so I'm gonna just hot comb these hairs back and out the way. Do the same on the other side. Okay, stay out the way. Now I'm going to find my baby hairs. Where's my razor? I'm gonna use this razor. This ain't even a razor I wanted to use. Where are those hairs at? I cut away more hairs. Like, where they at? All right. So I got some right here. It keeps like getting dark and I don't like that. Cut them nice and short. I'm gonna find some on the other side and do the same. Actually, I don't like the way, I don't like how thick those was about to be. I think I want light wispy baby hairs. So let's see what they hitting on. Let me see. Cut them. All right. Edge brush. Oh, this one a little crispy. Hold on, let me loosen it up. Going with my Eco Styler. Hold on, because it's giving, period, it's giving. All right, so I'm going over my Eco Styler. That's how much I'm gonna put. All right, it's game time. I hope, you know how you be knowing what you be doing, but as soon as you turn the camera on or as soon as you're trying to show somebody, that's when all of a sudden, like, it's a fail. I hope that's not the case today. Fingers crossed. I'm so nervous. Let me try to do it in the camera. Nah, that's a setup. All right, let me just go closer to the mirror. See if I can bring y'all with me. All right, so I'm going to just, okay, Tigger, I'm coming. So I'm just gonna put some, it's coming along. I feel it, it's gonna be good. Oh, you see a little baby hair. See? Put some right there. Got it? I don't want thick baby hairs today. If you do, you know, just do them to your liking. So on this side, my hair is actually out right here. My forehead kind of small, but it's okay. This middle one needs some help. And that is it. Because I'm extra, not even because I need to. Not even because I need to. It's literally, do I need it? I don't need it, but I want it. Hold on. I'm gonna take some makeup. So this brush I use like a small flat brush. We'll take some makeup and I'm just gonna go like this. Now it's extra crisp. Seal it in with some hairspray. And we lit. I'm just trying to take it all in before I mess it up with my mask. That's how you know I'm not doing it for nobody else. Like, I knew I was about to put on a mask and I still decided it was time for cake face. That's what I decided.